Hello, welcome back, and I'm Eugene Solis here at the Garcia Center, and we are making marigolds for our Day of the Dead celebration project ideas. And it's pretty simple. All you need is an orange tissue paper, a pipe cleaner that comes with your kit, and a pair of scissors. For your marigold, all you need to do is grab your paper. It should be fully stacked already. Like this, about 8 sheets I believe, maybe a little more or a little less. But all you do is very simple. You just kind of fold it like a paper fan or accordion, so you fold it this way and then this way, and you just repeat the process until you get to the end. So now I have my folds like this, so it kind of looks like this. Or try to keep it all together. And then with your pipe cleaner, you put it in the middle. Just like this. And just twist it around to get the papers together. And to add a little detail to your marigold, use a pair of scissors just to cut the edges a little bit, like a marigold flower. And this, again, this will be perfect. Just a little bit of, fry the edges a little bit to make it a little uneven. Here, on both sides, on this side and this side. And once you actually do it, just slowly separate each piece of paper so it kind of puffs up and fills the flower. So I'm doing one side first. Just like this. See how I got this all separated and pulled it out? So you fill up the flower. I'm going to do the same exact thing to this side right here. And go ahead and just carefully just pull the tissue paper apart from the other paper to fill up the marigold petals. And this is a simple project you can use to maybe decorate your house. You can even put it in your hair. Maybe put it to a picture near a picture frame. Let's see. And once you have this done, you have your beautiful but simple paper marigold flower. And I'll see you next time for our next project.